Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a 30-day forearm workout plan to get you those big vascular forearms that turn heads. Now this isn't just about building muscle, it's about definition, strength, and showing off some serious veins. Watch till the end because the final exercise will change your whole body. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Alright, real quick, why focus on forearms? Simple. Strong forearms not only look awesome, but they also help in almost every exercise you do. They improve your grip strength, make lifting easier, and build a powerful look that people notice. So if you're ready for bigger, stronger forearms, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any workouts. We're going through 3 powerful exercises. Each one targets your forearms in a unique way to build size, strength, and that eye-catching vascularity. Let's start with the basics and build from there. Exercise 1, dumbbell wrist curls. Starting off with dumbbell wrist curls. Grab a pair of light dumbbells, sit down and rest your forearms on your knees with your wrists hanging off the edge. Curl the weights up slowly, squeeze at the top, and then bring them down slowly. Focus on control and feel the burn in each rep. Exercise 2, reverse wrist curls. 3 sets of 15 reps. Now we're switching it up to reverse wrist curls to hit the top of the forearm. Same setup as before, but this time palms face down. Curl the weights up and lower slowly. This exercise really brings out that defined look on the top of your forearms, helping with size and definition. Exercise 2, hammer curls. 3 sets of 12 reps. Hammer curls target your forearms while also adding thickness to your arms overall. Hold the dumbbell with a neutral grip and curl, focusing on control and feeling every rep. So, there you have it. A complete guide to building bigger, vascular forearms that'll get you noticed. This routine is simple, it's quick, and if you stay consistent, the results will speak for themselves. If you're ready to start, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which exercise was your favorite or which one you're excited to try. And make sure to click that bell so you get notified every time we post new content. Thanks for watching, and let's get those forearms shredded.